Hello.
Ma'am, please wait a second. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, Kanish. Good afternoon. My Wi-Fi is fluctuating. So
Okay.
before we get any internet issues, I already turned off my video so that we can continue our
Hmm.
classes smoothly.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. How are you, Kanish?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am fine as well. Thank you. How was your day?
Ma'am, it is normal only.
Normal. Okay. How was the challenge? The challenge which I gave you the homework.
Ma'am, you can say I spoke 6 to 7 hours in English, but not the whole time because I don't have any habit of speaking English. That's why.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
ठीक है चलो नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम. Hmm. What did you talk usually?
I'm that mom, please give me this. And I'm not like my father don't have time to talk. That's why I'm not able to talk to him because he always do work in my room here.
Okay, I was not able to talk to him and he always does his work. He के साथ
Okay,
does,
ma'am.
so he always does his work here in
Does
India.
his work.
Okay, okay. Um, okay, fine, ठीक है चलो. You talk to your mom in English?
Yeah.
What did you guys talk about?
Ma'am, normally that mom, please give me this. And in the night, I took my mom's interview on my own.
Oh, ho, ho. What did you ask?
That tell me about your lifestyle. What do you do? These things, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Full
So,
on intro pura.
acha, nice. So, what did your mom say? How did she react to all this?
She also gave me answer, but I don't remember because there were 6, 7 things. That's why.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. I guess you guys should do this more often now.
Hmm. Yeah. It's a good idea.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes. That would be great because even you will have your language polished. Even she is doing the classes, so she will also have her
Yeah.
language polished. So you can do it this
Yeah.
way. Your mom is also for the
Hmm.
spoken only, na? So she is for overall improvement.
Uh, she's for spoken only for fluent, and she's also doing idioms and these things, grammar part also. Like
Oh,
you taught me.
oh, okay, 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 okay.
Spoken
Uh,
also and grammar part also included in that only.
Acha, she is doing spoken and grammar, guys.
No, she's doing spoken, but her ma'am is completing her grammar also.
Okay, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay,
Like
great.
you taught me.
हाँ, I taught you in the very beginning grammar जो basic चाहिए होता है for the spoken. Yes, 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 yes.
I think this is also her first or second month only.
अच्छा, so she has just joined अभी only.
Yes, ma'am. One
Okay,
month I think ago.
okay, okay. I actually wanted to know what kind of homework does her ma'am provides her, so that I can have an idea and I can also try to provide you such homework. I'm right. I guess I have
Ma'am,
almost given you all
but
sorts of
her
homework.
her teacher her teacher gives her the like the things she's doing because she's elder than me. That's
No, no, no. She is not giving anything related to spoken in homework.
Let me ask her. She's sitting here only. Ma'am, the thing which she has done in her class only, the ma'am gives the homework like that only.
Acha, acha, acha. Nothing related to like the activities which I
Related
give.
to related to the thing she has done in her class.
Got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay. Okay, like I give you homework, like you have to speak like this, speak like that, as the activity name, Because I guess
Mm,
I have given you lots of activities in your homework. So I am also now going short with the ideas. मुझे ideas ही नहीं आ रहे कि अब मैं क्या दूँ homework में. Because I have given you all sorts of activities which would encourage you to speak in the next class, like ये movie देख के आओ, ये read करके आओ, do this activity, do.
I don't want to watch movies. Those are very
I've
like
already
burden.
given you that
Because
homework,
movies
so
are always big movies.
I have already given you that homework several times, even I don't know
Yeah.
what you did. I'm sure I'm not going to give you that now. Uh, अरे हाँ, your mom wanted to watch a horror movie ना, tell her there's a horror movie Veronica.
Oh, ma'am, I want to tell you that the movie's name you gave me,
You
she ha-
have given
she
me.
has watched them all.
Oh my god, all!
Yeah,
There were 17 movies. सारी देख ली.
yeah. No, ma'am. Before only, without giving your list, she has watched them already.
Oh, अच्छा, she has already watched them all. अच्छा, 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 got it, got it. This Veronica
Ma'am,
movie
tell
is
me new name in
Veronica.
the chat box. You please give me name.
Okay.
I will copy and paste on my father's phone number.
Veronica, this movie is, oh my god, the scariest horror movie, the scariest
Okay,
horror
ma'am.
movie in the history. Iski, the
Oh,
cinematography of this movie and everything of this movie is very scary, very thrilling.
ma'am, on
Literally,
Netflix.
yeah, it's on Netflix. It's a Spanish movie. Um, I don't know if you are getting the dubbed version on Netflix. I guess it's the original version that the audio and everything is Spanish, but you have to see the subtitles underneath. So
Okay.
yes, it I guess it is like that, but you seriously need to watch this if you're a fan of horror movie. मैं तो रो पड़ी थी. I couldn't even sleep for 2 days.
Okay.
It's that crazy. Yeah,
How long it is? Series or movie?
it's a movie. It's a movie.
Okay, then this because
Hmm.
she doesn't like series.
Yes, 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 yes. I know. Even I am not a fan of series. Now I'm fan of movies, but this Netflix is not providing any movies. Achhi, achhi, achhi.
There
Everyone.
are only series now left.
Chalo, you tell me, what according to you currently is the best, this online place where you can watch things? Netflix, Amazon
Netflix.
Prime, Z5 Premium, or this Hotstar wala?
Ma'am, I will say Netflix and Prime.
Your reason for each?
Ma'am, because they provide a lot of movies on them only. Because on Hotstar also there are shows and some of the movies also. And on Z5 they don't upload a lot of movies. There are a lot of movies, but they are bidding. That's why.
Hmm.
And Sony Live also, I think they upload movies on them also, but we don't have its package. So that's why we don't
Hmm.
watch Sony Live.
Hmm. Got it, got it, got it,
Yeah.
got it. I believe currently, the place which is having lots of good content is Amazon Prime because Netflix is getting very boring with the same content over
Ye-
and over and over and over again. So if you look into it अच्छे से, you'll see that Amazon Prime has, there are few stand-up comedy shows over there. Then there are few movies over there. Then there are few series over there. So I guess this one is.
I'm not don't like to watch movies, but my mom like to watch movies.
Yes. So what do you like to watch for entertainment then?
Mom, I watch videos on YouTube only.
But kitni, give me what videos do you watch?
Ma'am, gaming videos and that entertainment IUPU videos. There are a lot of
Entertainment
YouTube
IPU
channels.
means?
Like they make some entertaining videos. That's why I'm saying.
That is entertain. Okay. Okay. I don't know what channel you're talking about, but okay, got it. Got it, got it, got
Hmm.
it. Okay, have you used the phrase, synonyms which I have given it to you yesterday to improve your vocabulary properly?
Oh no, ma'am, I didn't use that word.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, I don't know. I didn't. I didn't remember.
कोई बात नहीं. Please do one thing. You have the PDF now, okay? So save the PDF properly. I have given you the PDF in your this thing. What do we say? Feedback form. So save the PDF
Okay, I will tell
properly
my
so
father.
that you can use it some or other day. Even though you don't have classes, or you are done with Lingo Q and Q in one, will be some or other day you will be able to use those idioms and the vocab
Okay,
words
but
which are given.
I think I can remember it was kindly, compassionate, pleasant, likable, and gentle.
in
Gentle,
Genial.
gentle. These
Genial.
were the meanings of nice. Not the meanings, the words you can use
Instead of
behalf of
my.
nice.
Hmm. Correct, correct, correct. Okay. So
Okay, so
now the
ma'am, what is our today topic?
I don't know. You tell me. What do you think we should talk about today?
YouTube or something like that only.
YouTube पे what we will talk.
Mm, you say anything that you don't understand in YouTube sometimes.
Okay, I तो already asked you about copyright and copy
Right.
strike. हाँ वही जो भी होता है वो. अब you tell
Hmm.
me. चलो, I'll ask you in this way. I guess your mom's teacher should do this activity with your mom.
What?
Okay, explain me a recipe in English. As for example, explain me how would you make chole chawal in
Done.
English.
He already.
Because your mom's 40s, that would be. You tell me, chalo. What all do you
Her
know how to
ma'am,
cook?
her ma'am told that record any recipe and then send me on mm, the email.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. So your mom did that.
Yeah.
Nice. Your mom should check it on YouTube. मैं YouTube पे पोस्ट करूंगी तो व्यूज भी बढ़ जाते हैं. Good way of increasing views. अच्छा चलो, you tell me what all do you know in cooking.
Mm, ma'am, Maggie
Hmm.
and tea.
अच्छा, tell me how do you make a tea. You make a tea. Tell me how do you make a
Okay.
tea.
First, take some water
Hmm.
in a, you can say, in a patila. Then put some. I I put
Instead of
two
instead of patila, say pot. Okay, in English
pot.
patile ko you call pot.
Take a
Okay.
pot.
Hmm.
Okay. Take a pot. Then get some water. Then put 2 spoon of chai patti. Ma, what would be the English of chai patti?
Tea. Tea. Chapati is known as tea.
Tea.
Ah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Put 2 spoon of tea.
Hmm.
Then Then put 2 spoon of
Spoons
two
of.
or three
Hmm.
2 or 3 spoons of mm, suddenly I don't remember.
Frame it in Hindi and then try to speak it in English.
Mm, what was it?
सोचो
Uh,
frame it in Hindi.
yeah, yeah. 2 or 3 spoons of sugar,
Okay.
and then put some ginger in it.
Oh yes, ginger wali tea you make. Then
Yeah, and then after some time, put some milk in that.
okay,
Then your
add.
tea is ready.
Yeah, add some milk. So you can say it like this. That first we'll switch on the stove, then we'll put the pot on the stove. In it we'll add water. Because आप डाल रहे हो, you are adding something in a
Hmm.
pot, right? तो put की
Yeah.
जगह put मतलब आप उसके ऊपर रख रहे हो. Add मतलब आप उसके अंदर डाल रहे हो. So instead of put, substitute it with add. So add some water, then sugar, then tea, then whatever ginger or mint leaves or whatever you are adding basically. Then milk,
Okay, ma'am.
then we'll boil it for what 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll switch it off and we'll sieve it. sieve means छन्नी में जो चाय को डालते हैं ना हम उसको sieve कहते
Hmm.
हैं. So we'll sieve
Okay.
the tea in our cups and we'll serve it. So remember this whenever you're doing something in the cooking thing, that this is least concern with you because I know you're not interested in cooking and you are not going to cook also. You,
Ma'am, I am interested in cooking, but my mom don't teach me cooking right now. She says when you would be in sixth or seventh, then I will taught you,
I will
teach you.
teach you, हाँ. And she do not mean she does not. Whenever आपका
Okay.
he she it होता है ना or anything singular, तब हम does use करते हैं. We use does for that. अब देखो इसको to remember this, it's very easy. Wait a second. It's very easy to remember this. So you don't have to actually use एकदम consciously. You don't have to remember कि अच्छा यार he she इसके साथ does. This is the rule which we already know कि whenever it's he she it. अरे यार रुको एक सेकेंड ना. Whenever it's he she or it, we already know कि उसके साथ हम verb जो होता है उसके पीछे we add s or es, right? We already remember this.
Okay.
Okay. और जब भी we have I we you they. यार ये क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है. रुको मैं पहले I'll just write it down and then I'll let you know because it's very frustrating, you know. he she it के साथ we use verb के पीछे we add s or es, but whenever a sentence is with I we you they, we keep our verb in the same way. We keep it like that only, right? तो अब क्या होता है इसमें हम बेसिकली क्या
Hmm.
करते हैं. वर्ब तो हमारे पास जो था उसमें हम सिर्फ एस
Hmm.
और ई एस लगाते हैं when it's with he she or it. Okay, for example eat, your
Okay.
verb was, for example your verb was eat.
Hmm.
ठीक है. तो what we do whenever it's he she or it, तब हम उसको कर देते हैं eats.
Okay.
Otherwise we keep it this way only. Same way we have do, but whenever
He
हमार
eats his lunch always.
yes, he eats his lunch always. Whenever it's an activity which you do on the regular basis. For example, Kanishk makes YouTube video. It's not that you used to make, it's not you will make. It's something you do it regularly. Yesterday you made, today I'm going to make, tomorrow also you'll be making. So it's something that you make on regular basis. So Kanishk makes YouTube video. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो प्रोसेस है वो चलने वाली है थोड़े टाइम तक. Your mom cooks food for you. The process is going to go on for a great period of time. That's why. अब देखो do जो है हमारा वो हमारा बेस है. Now whenever you are using it with he she or it, तो do के पीछे हम s और es लगाएंगे. क्यों? Because he she it के साथ हो रहा है. इसीलिए we make it does. Otherwise,
Does.
हाँ, I
He
will
does
use.
his work at time.
हाँ, हाँ, yes, correct. And whenever it's with I, we use it, it's do. I do my homework every day. She does her own homework once in a week, like that. पता चला? हम
Okay.
देखो verb के पीछे भी s और es लगाते हैं, do के पीछे भी s और es लगाएंगे when it's with he, she or it or anything singular. हम verb को भी its original form रखते हैं and हम do को भी in its original form रखेंगे. We'll keep it in its original form when it's with I, we, you, they or anything in the plural form. Understood?
Okay.
हाँ, very easy. अगर if you remember it this way ना तो it would be very easy for you. कि ठीक है मैम वर्ब के पीछे भी
Sometimes eats, do, does, and he, she, it. We have to use s or es, and in we, you, they.
I, we, you, they.
I, we, you, they. We have to use
Nothing. We have to keep it in its
nothing.
हाँ
Nothing
original
in
form.
that.
Yes.
No as, no es.
Nothing, yes. And इसको भी if you want to remember it in very easy way, तो दोनों में से किसी एक को याद रखो कि ठीक है he, she, it और singular में हम s और es लगाएंगे, बाकी सब में we'll keep it this way. Or else you can do it this
Okay.
way कि I, we, you, they और plural में we won't add anything, बाकी सब में we'll add s और es. You don't actually need to remember both of them. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am. That we don't have to use both.
Both. We don't have to remember both. Oh, we don't have to use both? That's wrong. We don't have to remember
We
both.
don't have to remember both.
We have to use both, Kanish. We don't need to remember both. Okay? Other than that, I have already taught you has, have. You remember that as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. Has for singular, have for plural.
But when do we use that? Do you remember that? Or you forgot? Yeah,
He has.
no.
They have.
That is correct, but I'm asking at what condition हम use करेंगे वो याद है आपको? जैसे कि
When it is singular, so we have to use
no बाबा no
has.
जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको समझाया ना I just explained it right now कि when the activity is happening on the regular basis that yesterday it happened today it's going to happen tomorrow also it's going to happen तब हम ये simple present tense use करते हैं that we add s or es after the singular noun or he she or it. Exactly I'm asking you कि when do we use basically has and have. So remember, whenever you want to show someone he possesses this thing or she possesses that thing or you possess a thing. Possess मतलब you own a thing. ये आपकी चीजें, उनकी चीजें, इसकी चीज है. तब you use has and have. For example, Kanishk has a YouTube channel. What is the literal translation of that in Hindi? कि कनिष्क के पास YouTube channel है मतलब कनिष्क की YouTube channel है, right? So whenever you want to show ना कि this person possesses certain thing or that person possesses certain thing or you are possessing certain things, you will use has or have for that. For the show of possession, you will use has or have. Understood? ये आपको याद है that with singular we use has, with plural we use have. He she it के साथ has आएगा and I we you they के साथ have आएगा. I have, you have, we have, they have, he she it has. Correct?
Okay.
Yes.
Correct.
Now the main thing which is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense क्या होता है? You have to remember this thing. We have done this in the past, but you seem to forget it, which is completely okay because you are not having practice of that. अगर अभी आपकी स्कूल भी चालू होती तो भी I would have expected कि you remember, but school भी is not working. It's not open right now. By the way, when are your school reopening?
10 June.
our colleges are opening from 4th June. So I guess everything
Okay.
is reopening from 5th to 10th only. Hmm. Okay. See, whenever, whenever you want to talk about the thing which was done in the past but it still has its influence in the present, ठीक है, वो चीज आपकी पास्ट में
Hmm.
हो चुकी है, इट इज ऑलरेडी द एक्शन
Okay.
बेसिकली, वो चीज
It is
आपकी,
already done in the past.
हाँ इट्स ऑलरेडी डन इन द पास्ट, बट
Hmm.
उसकी जो इफेक्ट कहते हैं ना, द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ दैट थिंग इज स्टिल इन द प्रेजेंट, एट दैट
Okay.
टाइम वी विल यूज प्रेजेंट. यार I cannot type because my hand is so paining in the arm, इसलिए इतनी मिस्टेक्स हो रही है. At that time we use present perfect tense. For example, if someone asks you, okay Kanish, tell me about your recent vacation. Recent vacation, I'm asking you about your recent vacation, that means the action has
No
already done.
recent vacation.
No baba, for example I'm telling, no, if I'm
Okay.
asking about your recent vacation, मतलब क्या कि you have already been to vacation, आप vacation पे जाके
Hmm.
आए हो, बट मैं
But
आपको
it
अभी,
should be recent.
हाँ मैं आपको अभी पूछ रही हूँ उसके बारे में, विच मीन्स कि उसकी इफेक्ट अभी भी है, तब आप क्या यूज करोगे, तब आप प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट यूज करोगे इन योर स्पोकन, आपका जो टेंस होगा ना स्पोकन
Like
में.
the thing has happened in the
हम्म.
past, you can say few hours or few days.
हाँ, few hours or few days or in the
Okay.
past but it still has its effect on you, तब आप यूज करते हो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. और ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, थिंग हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड इन द पास्ट बट its effect is still there in the present, that is why we use present perfect tense. Now if I ask you, Kanish, tell me about your vacation, how will you say? Ma'am, I have gone to Bali. आप यही बोलोगे कि मैम आई हैव गॉन टू बाली, आई हैव ईटन
Gone to bed.
दिस, आई हैव डन दैट, I have swam in the ocean, I have done many adventurous activities over there. This is what you basically do in Bali, right? Adventurous activities. You swung on that huge swing, which is Bali swing, which is very famous. And you go to the
Hmm.
beaches. You do things like that when you go to Bali, right? So you basically tell me all the things which you have done. But आप कौन सा tense use करोगे? You will use present perfect tense to explain me, to tell me all of those things. अगर मैं अभी आपको पूछूं कि ठीक है कनिष्क, tell me what have you done in your day. See, I am asking also what have you done in your day. ठीक है, बिकॉज अभी आफ्टरनून हो चुकी है,
Hmm.
आई एम आस्किंग यू समथिंग यू हैव डन इन द मॉर्निंग. तो उसको आपको अगर बोलना है,
Yep.
इफ यू वांट टू टेल मी अबाउट दैट, यू विल व्हाट यूज present perfect tense as a form of tense. That ma'am, I have woken up, I have done my breakfast, I have bathed, I have studied for a while, I have made a YouTube video. So your tense would be present perfect tense. Okay, so that it
Okay.
serves it perfect meaning. Now present और past होता है ना, उसमें there is a this thing confusion कि कौन सा कब यूज करना है, because कभी कभी we tend to mistake present with past, ऐसा होता है, which is totally okay. But always remember, future is the most easiest. Whenever your action is going to take place in the future, आप तभी ही future tense use करोगे. I will play games with my friends in the evening, or I shall eat. See, usually with I and we, you use shall. I shall, we will. I shall few, because shall is basically used when it's not certain. For example, आपको पता ही है कि at 5 o'clock you are going to play games with your friends, तब भी you can say I will play games with my friends at 5 o'clock no matter what. will हम तभी यूज करते हैं कि चाहे तूफान आ जाए, आंधी आ जाए, भूकंप आ जाए, दुनिया की तहस नहस हो जाए, बट यू आर गोइंग टू डू द एक्टिविटी विच यू हैव सेड, तब भी आप will यूज करो.
Okay.
अदरवाइज shall means what, that you are not sure whether you are going to do it or not, because of any uncertainty you won't be able to do it, so you say shall. If you have noticed, I always say that okay, I shall see you in the next class. Now, why do I always say I shall see you in the next class? Because I don't know if the class gets cancelled, or if I don't have proper Wi-Fi, or I have some emergency, or you have some emergency, or some or other reason.
Yeah.
So for that, you shall always use the word shall, because you don't know if anything occurs and you won't be able to. Basically, shall is for the uncertain times and will is for the certain times. Will is basically a promise that you're making with the other person. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. These two things you have to keep in mind. Now we will practice this about, matlab we will practice this present perfect tense in our spoken. Okay. You have to tell me about your recent YouTube video, the YouTube video that you have made.
Okay. Today also I uploaded a video,
Mhm.
and it is a video about stick game. It's a
Oh,
game. If you will watch the video,
okay.
you
Eight
could
second, eight
get
second.
that thing.
You can, you can get that thing.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking, I think, because of your internet.
I was saying that you can. It's not you could, you can.
Ma'am, no voice. In- oh, this time my internet connection is unstable. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Now,
Exactly. I was saying you could, nahi, you can. You can.
okay. So you can go and watch on my YouTube channel, and I will also get views.
I just actually got a notification. I guess it was a father's video or your video. रुको देखने दो.
It would be mine because I
I
uploaded
got
a.
two notifications. One from Sangeeta Roshan. She uploaded Chole Bhature simple and easy recipe 1 hour
Hmm.
ago, and another one is from Virendra Roshan, which is 13 hours ago. Stick game Mikado, stick game for kids at home.
Yeah,
How to play stick game.
that game also I have uploaded on my channel at 9 a.m. today only. Uploaded it.
Acha, you have uploaded it already. See,
Yeah,
you
you can go
said,
and watch it.
I'll definitely watch it. But you used it very perfectly. I have uploaded it in the morning. आपने upload कर लिए, but उसकी effect still है आपकी life में. The effect of that upload, the activity which you have done, it still has its effect on you in the present, and that is why we use present perfect tense. अब समझ आया आपको?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
I
So
understood it.
huh, how do you play this Mikado game? Tell me.
Uh, Ma'am, I think if you will watch, so it would be good for you.
I'm of course going to watch. Don't worry. I have to ask you so
Because
that
in
you
that
see.
video, there are sticks, and then you have to push them on the floor. Then you have to pick up the stick without touching the other stick. Not touching, you can touch the other stick, but you don't have to, you can say,
Actually, I have played this game in my bachpan. Is it like this? Ki you have one stick in your
ma'am, in
hand.
my bachpan or childhood.
हाँ मतलब in my childhood I have played this game in my childhood. I guess you have one
Okay.
stick in your hand and you have to use this and you have to like pick it up with the stick. मतलब ऐसे कट करके ऐसे उड़ानी होती है stick, and the numbers of stick you have thrown out of the deck.
Yeah, ma'am, you will get it. You will get it.
हाँ, I'll watch a video because I actually don't remember it now. My dad went to, मतलब one of my relatives went to China and they got it from there. So,
Mikado.
Mikado, yes. Is it available in India?
Yeah, I think we also buy it on
Bought it.
Amazon.
We also bought it.
Got it from Amazon, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Then I guess we'll get it. Is it actually fun or is it just one-time game?
Fun. Not one time game. If there would be a lot of people like you and your father or your mother, so it would be good. Or you can play with your whole family, your sister, your brother, all the people in your family. So it would be more fun.
Okay, I am big fan, literally big fan of board games. Do you like board games?
Ma'am, not a lot, but I like.
I so love board games. I'm crazy for board games. I have so many board games. Monopoly, deal cards. मुझे कार्ड वाली गेम बहुत अच्छी लगती है. So I have Monopoly, deal cards, Uno, then a French version of cards, this card, that card. I'm big fan of it.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. What was the name? Mikado.
Hmm.
I'll definitely see your video on it. And
Okay.
weird thing is, I'm getting your mom's notification, your dad's YouTube notification. I never get your video YouTube uh,
Because I
notification.
think it was a premiere.
What is the difference between uploading and premiering the video?
In premiere, okay. Premiere, it would be like it is a live video. It would be go like that only. If you will stop, so uh, you have to click on that button again. Like if you have watched any live
Oh,
news channel or something live,
like live.
it's like that only. It's like that only.
So I cannot fast forward. I cannot go back, or I cannot stop in middle. I just have to watch.
You cannot fast forward it, but you can go back and stop the video. And you can
Okay.
also chat, and if the person who has uploaded the video on his YouTube channel, he can reply on the comment section only, in the comment section only.
Acha, so you can basically chat with your subscribers while uploading the video, while premiering the video, basically.
When premiere is going on and subscribers are also in the comment section, they
Ha
are
ha ha
also
ha ha.
chatting. So the main person whose channel is it, he
Ha.
can chat with his subscribers.
Okay, got it. And you can also see how many people are watching your video currently, right?
Yeah. I
Got
think
it.
not that thing. I think so.
Okay, chalo, I'll see it. I'll see it for sure, your video. And I'll turn the notification option on as well so that I also get notified whenever you upload your
Okay.
video. Like I get notified
Okay.
about your mom and dad.
Done.
Yes. अभी तो last कितने दिनों से I only get notification of your dad's video regarding that toning arm exercise.
Yeah.
Yes.
He took a challenge for 10 days.
Yeah, it's nice to take a challenge to do certain things. Otherwise, मेरे जैसी लड़की तो कभी कुछ करती नहीं है. If somebody challenges me कि you have to do this, you have to do that, तभी I'll do it. Otherwise, I'm very lazy like that. I'll just sit back and
Okay.
I won't do anything. So yeah, it's good that way. Okay, your homework for today is you have to use present perfect tense and you have to tell me about any activity which you have done in the past but still has an influence in the present. For example, when my ma'am asked me to do this activity, I told her about the book I have read. Okay, so I have read that book before. Kabhi to I can tell her about the book, no? So I told her about the book which I have read and the book which still has its influence in my life. So I had used it that way. You say to it what brings influence in your life, which is still in the present, and the activity you have done in the past, and use present perfect tense while framing it. And tell me in the next class, which is on Monday. Hmm.
Can we repeat the homework again? Because my lead was not in my ear, that's why.
Very good. Okay. Um, you have to use present perfect tense to tell me about the activity or anything which you have done in the past, which still has its influence in the present. कुछ भी हो आपने जो भी कुछ किया हो past में, but it still has its influence in the present time. So you have to tell me about that. And
Today,
huh?
today I have to tell you.
No, Baba. In the next class, this is your homework.
Okay.
Think about it,
Fine.
sit back, think कैसी कौन सी चीज है that you have done in the past, it still has its influence in the present. And tell me in the next class, which is on Monday.
Ma'am, still have a influence in your present means that you have this thing in your mind.
Influence मतलब क्या उसकी इफेक्ट बहुत गुड इफेक्ट इन्फ्लुएंस उसको कहते हैं that it
Okay.
हाँ So it gives you good effect. उसकी अच्छी वाली effect अभी भी है आपके present में. So yes.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Okay.
I will see you on Monday. Till then, take
Monday.
care. Yes, take care. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Have a nice day.
You too. Have a nice day. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.
Thank you. Same to you.